Hi guys, in this video, I am going to show you how to get Roblox shaders. So let's get started. The first thing you have to do is open your web browser and in the search bar, search for Roblox shaders. And here is the first website, click to open it. Now here, just click on Download Roshade. On the next page, you will get two plans. The first one is Pro, the Pro plan is paid, and in this plan you will get 5 Pro quality presets. Ray tracing shader, GFX like backlighting shader, ad-free installation, and no reinstall after Roblox updates. The second plan is free plan, you cannot pay for it, or you can get only basic effects, 3 quality presets, and 2 glossy presets. So I am choosing free plan, so just click on download here. Now in the next page, on the top right side here, click on skip, and your downloading will start automatically. Once your downloading is complete, then go to that folder where you download it. Then double-click on Roshade Setup to install it. For installing Roshade, first you need to close Roblox if it is open. So simply click on OK here, and your Roblox is closed automatically. Then click on Install here. Now select 8 and 7 here, so that once you are in the game, then you can use F8 key to toggle shaders on and off, or use F7 key to open and close Roshade panel in the game to make changes in settings. Then click on Next here to go to Next, and then click on Install button here. It will take some time for installation. Then click on Close and Follow button here, and that's it. Now open your Roblox again, and now you can use Roblox shaders in your game.